Hey everyone, back again with a full tutorial. This time, how to make Cu-mai using solid state diffusion. It's been one of the more asked about subjects in my knife making career, so it makes sense to start off with this. Let's crack on. The material used today will be copper sheet, wrought iron rolled out from this old axle, and some Hitachi Shiro knee, which I was kindly given by Inami-san in Osaka. After cutting these layers into similar sizes, I clean up the surfaces. You'll see that I started using clean gloves when I grind out the wider faces to avoid any oils from my fingers from contaminating the welds. If you do need to degrease your layers, degrease before grinding, as a degreaser leaves a film that can inhibit forge welding. I like to keep my ferrous layers slightly wider. This is so the seam welds don't get contaminated with non-ferrous material. A wee coffee break while the billet comes to temperature. The goal is to work at around 1000 degrees Celsius with copper. Set the welds by hand, and then we move on to the rolling mill. After cutting off the excess, a little grind to see the result, looking pretty good. Here's an example of a previous billet forged into a Gishiki bocho. If you'd like to see the final results of the billet made today, I'll be posting on Instagram in the future. Any additional questions or feedback, please do pop in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.